Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel of Get Into Course. So today in this topic we're going to discuss how to import all of our posts and pages and even the comments from a Blogger website to our WordPress website. Now if you are using Blogger for a very long time and you're planning to shift your website from Blogger to WordPress because of its themes, compatibility and even the plugins, basically you can even automate stuffs in WordPress, and WordPress powers 80% of the internet. It's a most recommended website builder and it's easy to build website as well. I mean, you can't scale your business or add revenues or whatever way you're earning website in Blogger. You can earn more always in WordPress. Now before getting into the video how to import your site from Blogger to WordPress, please subscribe my channel so that whenever I come up with a new video I'll send you a notification. So let's get started. So this is my Blogger website, which is basically a news website, and I have almost 627 posts, including 431 in the draft and 196 is published. Now we need to import all the posts, even draft, in the pages and even the comments, because comments is one of the factor in SEO, because comments shows the engagement and thus increases the positions in the Google searches. So in order to there are two steps how we can do it. In first step, we need to download an XML file, a file which contains all the post pages and even the comments of Blogger. So in do that, just come to the settings and click on other. Here you'll see two options, import content and backup content. Now in this case we need to backup our content, so click on backup content and let's save it to our computer. Click save it to your computer and we shall see this file getting downloaded, which contains all of post pages and comments. Now the time will be depending upon the number of post pages and comments you have. So I have just 500 comments and it will take less than 2 to 3 minutes, that's all. So let's wait until it's completed. So as you can see, the download has been completed and we have the file over here. Let's open it in folder and let's keep it somewhere else. I'll just paste it over here. Now we have done downloading all the post pages from Blogger. Now next step 2 is uploading this file into a WordPress site. So let's go to WordPress. So now this is my WordPress, and as you can see, I'll show you my post. As you can see, there are literally 0 posts. Okay, there are 20 trash, but all is 0. I have no post published yet, and even the draft is 0. You can't see draft, only trash 20, but all is 0. Now to import, we don't have to install any plugins because in WordPress there's an already inbuilt plugin available. Let's navigate to tool, just go to tools section and click on import. Now you might see there are many options. The one we have to choose is the Blogger, because we are migrating from Blogger to WordPress, and you might see install now option right here, because I have already installed it and I don't have to install it again. So just click on install now. If you're seeing install now option, just click on install now like this and you will get this run importer option. So once you install it, you'll see run importer. Just click on run importer. Now we need to choose file, but before that, this is the important factor here. The maximum file size is 1000 MB. By default it won't be 1000 MB for you, it will be 10 MB, because default WordPress gives 10 MB upload file size limit. That means that you can only upload a file size of 10 MB. Now I have increased it to 1000 MB. You can do it even more than that, but I recommend you keep at least of 100 MB, because in future if you are about to import any PDF file or any kind of documents which are above 10 MB, you won't be able to do it and you'll face problems in the future. So I'll give the link. I've done a complete video on how to increase this upload file size limit. Just click on the I button, you can see right over there in the top. Just click on that and there's a video how to increase the upload file size limit. You can just watch it and increase the upload file size limit. Keep at least of 100 MB, or I'll give the link in the description. You can click that link and you can watch that video, increase the upload file size limit and come back here. Now once you're done uploading file size limit, just click on choose file. So this is our file. I have saved it in the feedback hub. So just click and open. You can see it's selected. Now just click on upload file and import. Now this will import all the pages we have downloaded, all the post pages and comments we have downloaded from blog. You can see over here it's 10%. It's showing the upload, how much it has been uploaded. You can always keep a track over here. Now this time, the upload time will depend on how many post pages you have. Generally I had just 500 posts. This is a very, it won't take that much time. If you have been using a blog for a very long time and you had 1,000 posts, it will be very difficult to scale up. So it's better to shift it from Blogger to WordPress. And if you're planning to do that, I'll give the link in the description. You can buy domain and hosting with almost 70 to 80% off. And if you click the link which I provided in the description, you will gonna get that offer, and you can take full advantages of offer going on right now. So if you're planning to shift it from Blogger to WordPress, just make sure you get that offer so that you're getting the domain and hosting for free. I mean, not for free, it's a best price to deal on. You'll get a most of 70% off on right now. There's offer on the Hostinger. I recommend Hostinger because of their flexibility and support systems, and you won't face any server down or problems many of time in Hostinger. So there's offer right now. You can just check it out. It's in the description. So guys, we're done importing. As you can see, it's 100% imported all the post pages and comments. We'll be able to see all of our post pages and comments from our blogger to our new website in WordPress. So we're done importing. As you can see, this is a one step remaining once we have uploaded all the content. So this is a default name. You can give any name over here. It doesn't matter. You can just give any name. I'll basically give admin. But here we need to select a default. But if your WordPress has 2 admins, you can assign the other person. If you are a single owner of the website, you can just click on the next option, which will be a default. This is how we use to log into your WordPress. So it will be the same username. So after choosing this, just click on submit, and we'll be able to retain all of our post pages and comments. So make sure if you have 2 admins handling your WordPress website, you can assign anyone. It doesn't matter that much. It's just for the formalities or just a format of importing, because both will be having the username and the password anyway though, right? So it doesn't matter. Just click the default one, and here we are done. All done. Have fun. We just uploaded all the post pages and comments. We have retained everything from our blogger. I've shifted to WordPress. So let's see how it is right now. I showed you initially it was 0 post. Now let's see. I should have 130, 160 of published or 400 in the draft section. So here it is. We're done. We have imported everything. As I said, it's 600, 176 published, 431 the draft. We have written everything. As you can see, it's the same. Let's cross verify it. This is the post, and you can see a play on chocolate and these complete spirit. It's the same. I have written everything. I'll show you my website if you want. I've written all the posts from a blogger website to a WordPress website. As you can see, there are 18 pages, which means I have retained everything. Now in this way, you can just shift from blogger to WordPress without missing any of your files. So that's all. I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure if you're planning to shift to WordPress, check my offer. You can get 70% off on new WordPress.